So hi guys, another day, another vlog na naman tayo. So tara guys, samahan nyo ako na ipakita sa inyo yung specs ni Mirage G4 dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So tara guys. So hi guys, ayan, this is Mirage G4 GLS CVT 2024. So what's up guys, ayan si Mirage G4 GLS CVT. So engine niya guys is 1.2 liter gasoline, 2-wheel drive CVT. So meron din siyang 3-cylinder DOC Maybach. So ayan guys, para ma-indicate nyo or ma-feature nyo na si Mirage G4 ay GLS CVT, yan ang front grille niya na with fog lamp. Same time guys, ang side mirror ni Mirage G4 GLS is naka-indicate na rin po si cheek light niya. So, si Mirage G4 GLS CVT guys, naka-indicate na si KOS or Keyless Operating System. So, kahit hindi nyo na po pindutin si key fob and nasa 70 cm ka lang po ng layo ng unit mo, pwede mo na siyang pindutin dito para at least mag-open ang unit natin. Ayan. So, si Mirage G4 GLS CVT guys, naka-push start na siya. Ayan. At the same time, naka SDA or smartphone link display audio with 7-inch touchscreen tuner, Bluetooth, USB port, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Actually guys, ito ang key fob ni Mirage G4 GLS CVT. Ayan. Meron na siyang remote trunk opener or trunk lead switch. So, ito ang driver side ni Mirage G4 GLS CVT. Ayan, with hands-free button. And of course, meron siyang multi-information display monitor, drive range, fuel consumption, meter service reminder, trip meter, and outside temperature. So, for safety features naman guys, meron na of course si GLS ng ABS and EBD or anti-lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution. Then, meron din siyang brake override system. Siyempre, naka-immobilizer na rin si Mirage G4 GLS Automatic. And of course, para naman sa may front SRS airbags, meron din siya sa driver and passenger. So nga pala guys, ang fuel tank capacity ni Mirage G4 is 42 liter tank capacity. Of course, ang kanyang tires, meron siyang 185/55 R15 tires or 15-inch alloy wheels. For the second row guys, ito ang kanyang back seat. So, meron na rin siyang front seat belt, 3P ELR with pretensioner, double for driver, single for passenger. So, sa rear seat belt, meron din siyang 3P ELR times 3. Of course, equipped na rin si Mirage G4 GLS CVT ng rear center armrest with cup holders. Ayan guys, ang specs ni Mirage G4 GLS CVT 2024. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-inquire dito sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila, ilalagay ko po sa description ko ang full name at number ko. So, Maddie Vergara ng Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching!